Okay, hi, this is Mmbabao. In this channel, this is how we do it. Okay, today's topic is all about how to get an S grade for your League of Legends account. So here are the 4 or 5 steps that I'm going to share you in a short version. That I know that there's a lot of freaking videos in the YouTube that says how to get an S grade, but they don't give a shit. I mean, they lectured you for 25 to 30 minutes, but but they don't give you a direct topic or something, a direct to the point. So I'm going to do this in a short way. So here's the first step. You need to kill many minions as possible. So next is number 2 is you need to deal as many damage as you can on the enemy character, tower, minions, or the farm. Okay, number 3, you need to kill many enemy characters as possible. It's like 20 kills in a game, and you need also to lessen your death. So next is you need to have many kill support. Next is you need to plant many wards in the forest, as many as you can. Okay, next you need to earn as many gold as you can. Next is you need to destroy as many tower as you can. So those are the things that you need to do. So this is how we do it to get an S grade for your League of Legends account. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.